morning everyone, hope you have an absolute great day. I hope you enjoyed my last video. I really enjoyed it. So with today, since it's been a lovely sunny weather today, it's going to be 18 degrees. It may not sound that hot, but for the UK, especially this time of year, it sounds very warm. So today I'm going to try and see if I can plan to have 2 adventures in one day. First one, which I'm going to get set off shortly, is going to go out with my canoe, which I've not been on in a while, so it might be a bit rusty, but we'll wait and see. And then on my second one, I'm going to be cycling to work. Now, a couple of people might not think that's that exciting, however, it's just taking every opportunity of just getting any regular, normal part of your life and then just changing out completely, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So it's going to be a bit tight. I'm going to have to try and get it all sorted before work. So I woke up extra early. It's currently about 8 o'clock now. So I'm going to quickly head over, grab the canoe, and then set off and try and see if I can get on the water for about 9-ish. And then see what we can do. Then my aim, since it takes me about an hour or so to get to work on the bike, I'm going to be taking the racer, so it hopefully should be a little bit quicker, but you get obviously set up and everything, so better get that sorted. So with that in mind, right, let's go. Well, that's it, the canoe's set up. Just always have a triple check to make sure it's actually strapped in properly. Since I'm not going that far, I would normally strap the painters to the front of the back of the car, but since I'm not going that far, I won't bother. But yeah, let's get going. I managed to grab a high-vis jacket. That was my old cycling jacket. Since I'm cycling back home on the night and it's going to be quite dark, obviously try and keep nice and safe, so make sure you stay safe, everyone. So let's go.
You gave me the letter, I guess it was July. You said we'll be better, but I don't know why. I should be so lonely when I close my eyes, imagined you're mine. Sometimes I feel tired of my heavy thoughts. It's like start a fire when we're on the boat, and I'm on my own now.
Well, finally out. The river's looking quite high today, so just to be quite cautious. I mean, manageable, but still pretty strong current. The plan is I'm going to go upriver for a bit. This is going to be quite challenging, find some cool woodland to stop, a quick bite to eat. And then on the way back, I'll use the river's energy to take me back a lot quicker. Hello. People look at me funny. I'm used to it.
So clear that you won't believe. I just wanna stay with you, my love.
stop here. Just beautiful, sunny day. I'm really glad I went out today. You know, it's, you know, when you're that close, when the alarm gets wakes you up, you're like, do I really want to go out? But you know, I'm glad I did. I tell you what, there's nothing better than birds singing, is there? The river's getting quite strong. I'm getting quite tired, but it's all right. I'm making slow progress, but I'm getting there. I mean, I think the aim is I'm not aiming to get anywhere. I'm just here to have fun. So even if I am only like 100 meters one direction or the other, it doesn't really matter. As long as you're out off the couch and having a good time, trying to get yourself out there and explore. Well, I don't know whether you can see me, the sun's quite bright, but I think I'm going to have a quick bite to eat and stop for a second. Absolutely stunning. Hello. Have to do it. Yeah. 3, 2. Echo! Nearly there. I had to go underneath those bridges because they're just so cool. I had a bit of time spare because I got down here quite fast. Paying for it now, like, it's quite strong. But I'm getting there, slowly but surely. Should definitely be out of the water by 11ish. And then get myself sorted, maybe have a bit of a bite to eat before I go to work. Yeah, all's good. So I've had a good 2 hours out on the canoe. Still got a bit of time spare to get myself sorted. Life's pretty cool. Right, see you on the other side. Well, this day's just got even better afterwards. I've just got my canoe all sorted back onto the car. Just about to head home and get it sorted now. But on the way, got myself some sausage rolls. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Thought, why not treat myself? Well, it's a nice day off. Well, ish. Well, finally on the bike. After a quick shower and all that at home and a big bite to eat, I'm all set up. Making good time. Just trying to keep steady on the way. Got a change of clothes with me, and hopefully I'll feel fresh when I get back at work. Oh, beautiful day though. Very windy now though, that's just annoying, but hey ho. Whew. Well, onto a very busy road in a second. Quite a rough ground, especially for a road bike, so I'm just gonna have to be steady away. Then I get into a country lane, so it's out the way and a little bit quieter. Alright, let's go. Absolutely love cycling here. It's almost like a little bit of a adventure of its own. Listen to the wildlife, bit of a gravel track, awesome. Right, keep. Oh, hello. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And just to let you know, I did actually make it into work on time. However, the only reason why there wasn't much footage of me cycling was because I was kind of running late, so that's the only reason why. If you enjoyed the video that I've put up, please let me know. Please like a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content so far, definitely consider subscribing, as I'm definitely going to try and do as many as I can. If you've got any form of comment or any sort of things that you're enjoying, maybe not so enjoying so much, please let me know in the comments below. And with that, all I can say is live the best life you ever can, and also spread a lot of happiness and joy with everyone you know. So with that, thank you very much for watching. Alright, see you next time.